Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Baker's Bjornsson here, and today we are going to be installing the Aether Mod. Alright, so first what you're going to want to do is go to the Aether page on the forums, download the Aether Mod. Also, it'll give you links to all the prior setup mods, which I like to call prime mods, which you're going to need to actually let the mod work. And those are, in this order, well, the two Rigigami's mods, of course, are Mod Loader and Audio Mod, which you're going to need. Those are 2 out of the 6 mods. And then you're also going to need Single Player API. You're going to need Minecraft Player API Client 1.4 for the Aether Mod 1.0. And then you're going to need Mod Loader MP also, and of course the Aether Mod. So down here I have the setup in which I think is the smartest way to do these in the order. I know that this order of installing the things works, so I'm going to be installing them in this order, which is Mod Loader, Single Player API, Minecraft Player Client, Mod Loader MP, Audio Mod, then the Aether. So that's the order that I'm going to be doing it in. Okay, so what you're going to need to do first is start with a fresh Minecraft, so that you have no mods or no anything. I'd recommend making a backup of your prior Minecraft, but since you have that, you should go into your Finder. You will go to your library, which in Mac OS X, I think. Oh yeah. Down here under Places on your side, it should have Desktop, your little home thing, which is Matt. That's my name. Application and Documents. So you're going to go into your home, and you'll go into Library, Application Support, and into your Minecraft, which should be in here somewhere, which is at the top for me. And here it is, Minecraft. That's everything that you'll need. You'll need to be able to get here to mod. What's going to make modding a lot easier is if you right-click the Minecraft folder, go ahead and scroll down to Make Alias, and you can make an alias, and it'll say Minecraft alias, and you can drag it onto your desktop. That way, by clicking here, I can just go into my Minecraft. Pretty easy. Alright, so first we're going to start with Mod Loader. But first we want to go into our Minecraft. Inside of our bin, we will have this Minecraft.jar. You want to right click that and open with Archive Utility. And you'll get a folder, just like that. And you can rename this .jar backup.jar in case you fail the mod and you don't want to completely restart. You can just use this backup.jar and unarchive it again. And then you want to rename your folder Minecraft.jar. It's crucial to rename this folder Minecraft.jar, otherwise the mod won't work. So go into your Minecraft.jar and you'll have all these class files. What I recommend, or what almost you have to do, you don't have to, but it's like really, it's going to help you out so much. Right click, not on any item, but just in the dead space, you want to scroll down to Arrange By and scroll over to Kind. Now you have your folders up top and you've got all the classes. You never need to mess with the classes, only the folders mainly. First off, you want to delete your meta-inf. So delete that. Okay, now we can start modding. Make sure you delete the meta-inf. So open up your mod loader folder, which should come in a .zip, but just right click it and open with the unarchiver, and it should give you a folder titled Mod Loader, and you can do that for all these mods. Anyway, open up Mod Loader. You have a lot of .classes. So you want to select one, and instead of doing this, doing the little window thing and selecting them all and then hitting copy and then going here and hitting paste, I recommend taking shortcuts using your command button on your keyboard. Just press one of these and hold down the command and press A, that'll select them all, and then press C while holding down command and you will copy them all, and then press V and you will paste them all. I'll apply to all, and replace. There we go. We have mod loader. And then we're going to do single player API, or Shaka's API. You will have a bin, readme.txt, and src. You do not need to use these two. Just leave those alone. Those are for high modders that do like code and stuff. But go into the bin folder. You have more .classes. Just copy all those and then paste those into your minecraft.jar. Apply to all and replace. We got 2 down. Now into your Minecraft 1.0 player API, you will have 2 .text files, which is the changelog and the readme. You do not need those, but go ahead and just select all, and then still holding down command, just left click the .text and that'll deselect them, and then copy the .classes and paste them into your Minecraft.jar and replace. 3 down. Let's do mod loader MP. This one's simple, just copy the .classes and paste and apply to all and replace. So those are 4, or yeah, 4. So now we want to open up our Minecraft. I realized I didn't do audio mod or Aether mod. That's because I want to make sure that I've done the mods right so far, because the Aether mod and audio mod are the kind of hard ones. But yep, so here it is. We did it right. We haven't messed up yet. So go back into your Minecraft, into your bin, into your jar where we were. Now comes audio mod. Audio mod, you'll open it up. You'll have ahm.class ibmx or ibxm and pulse code. The IBXM and the AHM you can just highlight and then copy both of those and paste those into your Minecraft.jar and replace. The pulse code, though, you're going to want to not replace. You don't want to replace the pulse code. So in your audio mod, just double click on pulse code and it will say sound. In your Minecraft.jar, you want to double click your pulse code folder and it will say sound. So go into sound, it'll say codecs. Go into sound, it'll have all these .classes which help the game run, and it'll also have a codecs folder. So go into codecs and go into codecs. So copy the codecs IBXM, copy that, and put it into the codecs which is in your pulse code, which is inside the Minecraft.jar. So there you go, you're done with the audio mod. Just backspace all the way to Minecraft.jar. Alright, so now comes the Aether. This one is actually pretty easy. Just open it up, you'll have a jar of readme.txt and the resources. You don't need to use the readme. It'll just open a text file which shows you how to download it, and here it even says you need mod loader MP, audio mod, Shaka's API, and player API. But you don't need those. So go into your jar and you'll have all these .classes, somewhat like 1,000 I think. But yeah, you just want to copy all these and you guessed it, paste them into your Minecraft.jar and it'll prepare to copy and it'll go up in numbers somewhat like 1,100 something, and you'll apply to all and replace. This basically changes almost the whole game except for just default vanilla playing, and just allows you to play the Aether. Now, if you want sounds, which everyone does, now you're going to go into resources, which you need to do. Go back into your Aether folder, and inside the resources folder, you'll have mod, and inside this resources folder, you're not going to have much, just new sound. So sometimes you will have mod, sound, old sound, new sound, stuff like that, but since we don't, we can just copy this mod folder and put it into our resources. So inside the mod folder, just if you're curious, it has music, Aether music, sound, all these Aether sounds. It's got a lot, mobs. It's very, they were very precise about it, which is good. And now you're done with the mod. That's pretty much it. So just show you that it works. We'll go into our Minecraft, And what's cool is it'll actually have changed. It changes the title screen, changes everything. It decides to be slow though, of course, because I'm recording. But just give it a second and it should be fine. We can quit text edit, we don't need that. Come on, Minecraft, let's go. There it goes. And we'll log in. We got Mojang. And now it should look different. The Aether. There it is. So we know we did it right because it says the Aether. But just to reassure you, you press single player, you can create a new world. Tutorial, we can call it. We can just generate a world and it won't put you in the Aether. That might be a misconception, but it'll put you in a regular world where you're just getting wood, mining, doing all the regular Minecraft stuff. So that's cool. You can just play vanilla, and then you can also go to the Aether. And woohoo! Lucked out. Snow biome. What is this? That's funny. It's all oddly set. That's funny. Well, anyway, that was the tutorial. I hope that it helped, and I hope that wasn't too confusing. But if you like what you see here, go ahead and throw up a thumbs up. If you had any questions, throw in a comment. Go check out my channel if you like what you saw here. There's plenty of tutorials, or not plenty of tutorials. This is actually probably the first tutorial I've done, but plenty of Let's Plays, all awesome Minecraft footage. And if you like what you see there, go ahead and press the subscribe button so you can see all the footage that I put up every now and then. So thanks for watching, everyone, and